So guys, welcome to another video on this channel. We're all about small space gardening, balcony gardening, container gardening in urban Nigeria. So today I'll show you guys how I went about planting ugu seeds. Some people call it fluted pumpkin. So right now I'm at the market trying to pick up ugu seeds. So this is what the ugu pod looks like. It is quite big and heavy. So I'll just go ahead and look for one that is open and buy, so I can go home and plant. So normally you can get your ugu seedlings at your local foodstuff market. That is where you get your ugu seedlings. So this is what the seeds look like inside the pod. A medium-sized pod can contain up to 400 seeds inside. So inside the seeds are quite big and they are covered by this brown slimy substance. So when you buy them, you have to dry out that slimy stuff before you plant. So guys, now I'm home and these are the ugu seeds that I bought. Permit me, I've been saying seedlings. It's seeds. So these are the ugu seeds that I bought from the market earlier in the day. So you can see how big they are. You can see the slimy stuff all around them. So I'm going to put them on this flat surface as my chopping board actually, and then allow them to dry. You can see here they have dried. The ugu seeds are dried now. So tomorrow is the day I will be planting them. So I'll just leave them on the kitchen table to dry even more. Then tomorrow I'll go ahead and sow. So guys, these are the type of buckets I'll be using to sow my ugu seedlings. As you know well, my gardening is on my balcony, so we don't have much space. So I'll be sowing 3 seeds in each of this type of buckets. So this long stick in the middle is for the ugu seeds to climb on when they start climbing. So that is how it is. When you have a small space or a balcony garden to plant, you have to improvise and be creative and make the most of what you have. So I'll just put the stick so I will know the spacing, how to space the ugu seeds. Then I'll remove the stick, but as soon as the ugus sprout, then I'll put the seeds back so they will have something to climb on. So as I'm planting, I'm really suspecting that these cracked ones might not germinate, but the woman, she used her sweet mouth to convince me. I'll just go ahead and plant it and see what happens. So when planting ugu seeds, the orientation is everything. Make sure that the pointed end is downwards, then the flat end is facing upwards. The pointed end downwards, the flat end upwards. The pointed end is the root of the ugu, then the flat end is where the young shoot will come out from. If you turn it the other way around, your ugu will not sprout. So orientation is everything. Don't forget. Guys, can you see the greenness of these ugu leaves? Meaning that they are in perfect health. So if you want to see the potting mix I used to give them such a healthy appearance, you can check it out on my channel. There is a video on that. So right now guys, I'll go ahead and stake my ugu plant. This is to provide a pole or something for the ugu vine. You know, it is a vine, it loves to climb, so I'll provide a pole for it to climb on so it doesn't pour down on the floor. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to put this pole right in the center of the bucket. As I said before, this is a balcony garden, so space is scarce, so we have to be creative. So now the pole is in place. I'll train the ugu plant to begin to climb on the pole. Just bring it close to the pole. You can see. You can actually tie it with a piece of twine, not something that will bruise the plant. I will use a piece of sewing thread to tie it to the pole, maybe to tie them to the pole. That's what I'll do now. So guys, that's it for this video. At this point, my ugu plants are about a month old, let's say a month and 1 week old. So you can see they are doing well. So I'll keep you updated on their progress. See you in the next video. Bye.